Write your own paycheck and decide your income. Wait, the surprise is at the end. You can make between $300–700 daily with affiliate marketing and Facebook. Are you going for work again? Grinding at your desk another day? Feel that soul-crushing dread? We've all been there. But what if, instead of the daily commute and fluorescent lights, you could make serious money from home, your own boss, in your comfy pajamas? Enter affiliate marketing freedom. Introducing affiliate marketing. Promote amazing digital products to a global audience and earn $300, $700 daily. No inventory, no shipping, just click-fueled profits right from your laptop. Sound too good? It's not. But mastering this online goldmine takes time, right? Wrong. Forget years of trial and error. We've been dominating affiliate marketing and Facebook ads since 2012, and now we're sharing our secrets. Just follow our proven system and achieve success in weeks, not years. Unlock the Facebook Traffic Vault. Facebook is a traffic beast, teeming with potential customers searching for your dream products. We'll show you how to target them laser precisely with powerful Facebook ads. Craft irresistible campaigns, automate the process, and watch your audience explode. Digital products plus Facebook ads = cash avalanche. Combine the high profit margins of digital products with the targeted reach of Facebook ads, and boom, you've got a money-making machine printing commissions 24/7. Imagine the freedom, the flexibility, the satisfaction of watching your bank account grow as you sip coffee in your PJs. Stop dreaming, start doing. Don't waste another minute stuck in the 9-to-5 trap. This week, join our proven system and unleash your inner affiliate marketing shark. We'll guide you every step of the way, from product selection to ad creation, all the way to cashing those sweet commission checks. If you're not thrilled with the training provided in 30 days, we will not only refund your entire investment, but we will also PayPal you $100 cash to enjoy a nice night out on us. Deal? Click the link below, see how it works, claim your training, and let's turn your work-from-home dreams into reality together. Remember, we've been there, done that, and now it's your turn. Follow our footsteps, master the Facebook ads and digital product combo, and say goodbye to your cubicle forever.